Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna share with you how I made this Stickman costume for my son. He wanted to be a Stickman on the book day and I couldn't find any proper Stickman costume. So we made our own and it was cost effective and so much fun. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I let my 4-year-old color all the cardboard boxes brown, and it's very important to involve the kids, that way they make lots of memories and so much fun. Here I use this brush to give some texture along with that normal brush and made some twirls. Then we just let it dry. I used 3 A4 size cardboard and 2 small pieces. Then I used this Crayola marker in brown color and just highlighted the corners and made these straight spikes for the hat. Here I let my son make lots of straight lines for the hat to give sort of like vertical stickman kind of look. Then I used the same brown marker and highlighted all the lines, just like I'm doing now. Then I tried to roll this piece into a hat, and this side was just extra, so I just took it off to use it for the nose. And here I just cut extra piece because it was small to fit according to my son's head size. Sorry about the speed, as it was a very long video, so I had to make it faster. If you don't have glue gun, you can just use normal tape. So the extra piece I attached to the hat, I just made the same line on the both sides so they look similar. Now here I'm just cutting like triangle pieces to give some edges to the hat to make it more like a stick. So after cutting the edges, I had to color it again because it wasn't looking that neat. Now I'll stick these leaves on his hat, just put some glue and then extra piece of cardboard, so it's like I just sandwiched it in the middle, that way it will be more secure. Then my son helped me stick these 2 googly eyes on it. Now here I'm just using plain brown pencil color and just making some eyebrows along with his smile, but before that I'll make his nose. The piece of paper I took off from the hat piece, I'm just twisting it around and then I'll just glue it and put some colors and lining on it as well to give it some dimension, and then just stick it with hot glue, or you can just use any glue. I'm also going to use my finger just to smooth it a little, but you can also use tissue paper or cotton buds. Now I'm gonna cut stickman hands. I'll cut one and then use it as a template to cut the other one. It doesn't have to be perfect, I'm just eyeballing it and sketching it out. So here I'm doing the same thing again, highlighting it with brown marker and making some round twirls and straight lines to make it look like stickman. So the hand pieces I made, I'm gonna stick them on these two pieces, but first I have to punch holes, 4 holes on each piece. I'm using this elastic band to tie it, that way it will be easier for my 4-year-old to take it off when he is in school. As you can see, I'm tying it in sort of like a cross, just like that, to make it more secure. Just twist it around the other one. I'm just gluing the top bit on it. If you get some extra glue outside of it like mine, don't worry about it. Just get the brown marker and color on top of the glue. Then it will actually give some more texture to the hand and it will look more realistic. Now here I just used one of the leaves and just stick them on, just like I did before, cushion them in the middle. I only used it for one hand. Here I'm using these 2 pieces for the legs. I'm doing the same thing, some straight lines along with some twirls to give some texture, and then I'm gonna make 2 holes and then just to use the same elastic band, just like I'm doing now. That way I'll just put it on top of his trousers. For the top I printed this image and it was very light, so I just highlighted it with black or brown, any color. Then I used double-sided tape on all the 4 sides and some in the middle. Make sure the top is nicely ironed. Then when you're putting it on, first take 3 sides off and stick it, then do the end one at the end, just in case if it doesn't look straight, so you can take it off and do it again, just like I'm doing now. And then I'll take this end one off and there you go. So that's how it looked, guys, and thank you so much for watching. It's not gonna last forever, obviously. It made up of paper and cardboard, but my son had lots of fun. That was the main thing. If you find my video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye for now.